Region specialists have tracked down that using our new 10 billion toy, the flight plan could take an incredibly expansive term before it will turn out to be a reality. On the off chance that it goes according to plan, the visit to Proxima may take around different years. So, all things considered, it will maybe be different years sooner than we can assert if there is, indeed, life on that planet. The format request remains. Would it be genuinely sharp for us to impart that we are separated from everyone else in this universe? The Webb Space Telescope has found a few non-human-like things some distance from Earth, guiding us toward strategic responses. Our excursion for presence beyond us has been of significant interest for the extent of every human improvement, to such a total that we have suspended a truly tremendous number of media works and theories as we marvel with appreciation at our area and separation in the universe. This has been a standard endeavor, as it is far amassed within us to tenaciously quest for a mate, notwithstanding how alien-like. Surely, we should ponder more. But are the responses we care about truly the ones we are endeavoring to find? Or could they be incredibly genuinely disturbing? Come alongside us as we survey the sharp disclosures in the nation-states of universes and planets on the journey to find something we may not be prepared to see. Lighting very distant researchers have sorted out what might actually be the greatest significant openness ever again in 2021, right when the JWST, James Webb Space Telescope, came into play. A completely hypnotizing speculative question was raised around the restrictions of our advancement. The question was whether, in some time, our telescopes should see artificial light on another planet close to Proxima B. Proxima B, the nearest exoplanet to Earth, is in the habitable region of our nearest neighbor, the star Proxima Centauri, just 4.24 light-years away. Since the exoplanet isn't much farther from its star than Earth is from the Sun, Proxima B should be tidally locked with an interminable day side and night side, much like our moon. Theoretical advanced human headway on Proxima B ought to pass warmth and energy from the day side to the night side, using photovoltaic cells that produce power from starlight. In a paper with Monolingam, as one of the specialists, it was shown that massive use of the day perspective through solar panels could be detected with future telescopes. Given that JWST was further advanced, it allowed us to enhance our search for artificial structures on interesting exoplanets like Proxima B. In the long term, as the James Webb Space Telescope launched in 2024, it did exactly that. Using its higher sensitivity and greater range of focal points, the JWST should have detected the lighting establishments we were looking for, and most probably flung us into another giant era of human development, allowing us to delve into the universe of planets and exoplanets to see how this was even possible. James Webb's primary objective is to look at Proxima and its secrets. Over the extent of time, people have considered the nature of the universe. What are we? Where did we come from? Where are we going? These are common yet incredibly hard questions that humanity has endeavored to answer since it gained consciousness. In this age of advancing technology, one wonders if we're any closer to any of these questions. If you ask a practical person, he might say we are still at stage 0 of knowing ourselves in the universe. But ask a regional specialist, and you'll see him sway around in excitement as he hurries to illuminate you concerning the most astonishing discoveries humans have made about the universe using their advanced mechanical tools. These gadgets, while not given much interest by the general public, are a testament to human innovation. We now have the regions readily available, and it's time we push forward and make the universe more familiar. To do that, much has been done by experts and cosmologists. It is through technological advancements that we've made new discoveries, such as what could be lights on another planet, light-years away. Yes, we're discussing the James Webb Space Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope is the product of human missions into space to answer a few critical questions. Are we alone? Where did we come from? And where are we going? This infrared space observatory has already begun to answer these questions, though to varying degrees. First, you might wonder, what even is Proxima B? Proxima B, or Alpha Centauri b as it is sometimes known, orbits an M-type star. Super-Earths are a class of planets that are possibly more massive than Earth, yet lighter than ice giants like Neptune and Uranus. They are classified as being made of gas, rock, or even a combination of both, and their sizes can range from twice the bits of Earth. On the other hand, on various events, its mass genuinely organized the phenomenal in the stunning Earth. Concerning Proxima B, its mass is recognized to be indistinguishable from 1.07 Earths. Maybe it requires 11.2 days to wrap up one circle of its giant name, as isolated from our 365.25 days. You could genuinely take a gander at the points of view of the titanic name. Proxima B is enveloping, particularly under the assessment of the all-out electromagnetic spectrum. The famous individual has an absolute wonder of just around 0.16% that of the solar. Likewise, in the vast reach, its quality appears significantly dimmer, as it illuminates just 0.056% of the sun's brilliance. Inside the scene's delicate arve, it conveys a significantly lesser measure of light energy compared to the sun. More than 85% of its conveyed energy is within the state of infrared radiation, circulating around 0.485 to 6 Australian dollars from its giant name. Proxima B's receptiveness was acquired way back in 2016. You turned out to be maybe inquisitive concerning the reason for why Proxima B, among a heap of stars, planets, plans. Why are we so focused on this specific wonderful packaging? Absolutely, there are a few reasons that contribute to the exceptional interest astronomers have with Proxima B. Over the amount of its miles, it is the nearest star to our organization. By definition, despite the fact that 4 light years is an immense distance to us Earthlings, within the grand scheme of the universe, it is a reasonable blip. Thus, Proxima B, our nearest frenzy star, is right up at the top of the list. It is also an integral piece of the sharp, huge contraption called Alpha Centauri. Regardless of Proxima B's low glow, the actual contraption appears as one of the most visible star clusters within the night sky, primarily behind 2 others known as Sirius and Canopus. However, the most captivating issue of Proxima and Proxima B is that it could potentially be habitable, as it falls within the habitable zone. The potential is limitless to encompass the giant star. Hence, astronomers have ventured through the test to see the depths and distant spots of the star's limits. This is where the James Webb Space Telescope comes in. Due to the fact that the JWST keeps its evaluation of the bestowed exoplanet, we get increasingly closer to the results of these missions, from CC to exoplanet evaluation, in the mission for extraterrestrial life. So, what exactly is SESI? Considering people have always been an inquisitive animal pack, grasping and slamming into everything that moves and doesn't move, it is not surprising that an undertaking like SE emerged on such an exceptional breadth and vision. God has made an ideal, extraordinary excursion, but with a twist. Rather than gold, we are tasked with searching for markers, especially electromagnetic signals, from movements beyond what we could ever consider. SEI aims to look for extraterrestrial data, and it is our system's mission to get signs and consequences of dazzling life, masking amidst the stars. Our mission holds steadfastly, way back during the 1900s, after the radio era arrived into human use. Pioneers like Nikola Tesla and Guglielmo Marconi appeared with an incredibly expressive insight. They hoped to use those clever devices to establish communication with the stars. Tesla even considered the possibility of conversing with Martians using his Wi-Fi transmission contraption. Fast forward to the 1960s, and we find ourselves in the midst of Project Ozma, the brainchild of the late great astronomer Dr. Frank Drake. Equipped with a powerful telescope, Drake scanned the incredible far-off transmissions for signs and indications of something occurring where it matters most. Unfortunately, his attempts didn't yield everything, with the exception of the mission gone previously. Researchers all around tuned their radio wires to the boundless symphony. In the meantime, over inside the Soviet connection, our reach across the Iron Curtain had likewise been amped up for the pompous chatter, pushed with the aid of the popular ISF. Soviet examiners turned their receiving wire up, looking for those unsafe transmissions from the stars. Along these lines, the stage was set for an unending battle. At any rate, what's this high-quality signal acquired amidst the massive disturbance, conveying the discussion and nerves to an immaculate high named the wow signal? It sent wonder waves through spread-out experts. As the years went by, the mission for intelligent signals only escalated, from T2 to the M-Hug Cyclops. Examiners went full scale in their quest to close the magnificence mystery. Then, in a fortunate turn of events, or perhaps fate, a coded radio transmission from Mars through telescopes ignited a chain reaction of speculation. But what does that assessment reveal now? And how has it informed our understanding regarding missions lighting establishments on Proxima B? In a 2021 research paper titled Visibility of Artificial Lights from Proxima B, specialists Elisa Tabor and Abraham Loeb made an effort to investigate the limits of detecting artificial lights emitting from the darkest side of Proxima B, considering Proxima B is located within the habitable zone of its star. The study aimed to see if Proxima B could possibly support life and how to identify it. Given Proxima B's significance as a target in the search for extraterrestrial life, they developed an intriguing yet speculative hypothesis. The new speculative radio transmission detection from Proxima B sparked interest once again. This discovery, although not recent, is a breakthrough when considering the sheer distance such a signal must travel, a phenomenon that excites the scientific community. The detection of the exclusive radio transmission added a new layer of intrigue to the ongoing pursuit for signs of extraterrestrial intelligence. This signal was recognized by the Breakthrough Listen project, founded in 2015, which aims to survey the sky for indications typical of advanced civilizations beyond Earth. Using state-of-the-art radio telescopes and array analysis systems, the project can examine nearby stars across the electromagnetic spectrum, looking for transmissions that cannot be easily explained through natural processes. This search had been ongoing for a substantial period when the hypothetical radio transmission from Proxima B was detected. The signal, highly valued by cosmologists working on the task, exhibited narrowband emissions at a frequency of around 982 MHz, a range often associated with artificial radio transmissions, including those used for communication purposes on Earth. It was a captivating discovery that paved the way for a new set of speculative outcomes. While the signal has not been conclusively attributed to an extraterrestrial origin and may have alternative explanations, the discovery remains a landmark in humanity's quest to understand the cosmos. With the signal confirmed, it was time to analyze the evidence. The data gathered from the hypothetical radio transmission from Proxima B initiated a flurry of progress among space experts and researchers globally. The enticing possibility of observing artificial lights emitting from the shadowed side of Proxima B sparked imaginations and led to further investigations into the nature and implications of the signal. As researchers delved deeper into the data and formed rigorous assessments, they sought to determine whether the observed radio transmission was indeed of extraterrestrial origin, or if there were more mundane explanations. The consequences of such a revelation were profound, potentially indicating the presence of an advanced civilization capable of technological development on Proxima B. With the Breakthrough Listen project at the forefront of the investigation, researchers explored every aspect of the signal, analyzing its frequency, power, and spectral characteristics. They compared it against known natural phenomena and artificial sources of radio emissions to assess its likelihood of being of alien origin. At the same time, efforts were underway to improve analytical techniques and expand monitoring capabilities, focusing on detecting any ongoing transmissions or beacons from Proxima. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its advanced instrumentation and sensitivity, played a central role in this continued quest for extraterrestrial information. As the scientific community remained vigilant in its mission to interpret the mysterious signal, the broader implications of such a discovery reverberated throughout society. Interest in humanity's position in the universe, the presence of other intelligent beings, and the potential for interstellar communication captured the public imagination and fueled speculation. Amidst the excitement and anticipation, researchers maintained a careful and deliberate approach to their analyses, mindful of the need for caution and rigor in interpreting the data. While the possibility of confirming the presence of extraterrestrial intelligence was thrilling, researchers acknowledged the importance of thorough examination and peer review to support any extraordinary claims. In the meantime, the search for signs of intelligent life beyond Earth continued unabated, with astronomers still scanning the universe for any hints of advanced civilizations among the stars. The evaluation of Proxima B and other exoplanets remains a focal point of scientific inquiry, offering tantalizing glimpses into the potential diversity and complexity of worlds beyond our solar system. As humanity ventured further into the cosmos, driven by curiosity and a thirst for knowledge, the quest for extraterrestrial intelligence represented a vital and ongoing endeavor. Whether the hypothetical radio transmission from Proxima B signaled the beginning of a new chapter in our understanding of the universe remains to be seen. Still, it underscored the boundless potential of human exploration and the relentless pursuit to unlock the secrets of the cosmos.